up, Mr. Ricky Johnson?
How you guys doing?
You here?
Yeah.
At the XRCO Awards.
First time, it's pretty fun.
Uh-oh. Now, who's the ladies you got with you? Who's these ladies?
September Rain.
Hi. And this is Zelda Wilson over here.
All right. All right, so wait, how long have y'all been in the industry?
A year.
A year?
3 months.
3 months? Okay, how y'all liking it?
I'm a baby. I love it. There's sexy guys like this.
What would you say? Dudes always ask me how to get in the industry. What would you tell them?
If you're not serious about it, don't even do it. Don't even
If
try.
you have to ask, you shouldn't be in.
Yeah.
You don't choose porn chooses you.
Okay.
You kind of have to like, if you really want to do it, you'll find a way to
Can
do
you
it.
come on command? If I say come right now, can you do it? Then you're not ready to be a porn.
I can, but I don't want to.
Hey.
I do what they say. Yeah, I'm like,
Right there.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Do that. It's a wrap.
So
Really
what
hard.
would you say to those that think it's an easy gig?
It's not easy. It's really hard. It's one of the hardest things to do. That's why everybody's not doing it. Everybody wants to do it, but they can't do it. You know? So,
What's up? This is Ace, and I'm back on a birthday week. My birthday's coming up. And today, you know what? I'm gonna answer a question. I'm trying to get back to answering questions. But yeah, I started that little clip off with some people who have just got in the porn industry. A male performer, Ricky Johnson, who's been in about a year. September Rain, who's been in for around a year. And some chick I never even heard of, Zelda Morrison. She's only been in 3 months. She's so new, I can't even find no scenes for her. But yeah, like I said, I started that clip because one of my #1 questions is, Ace, I get a lot of emails in my inbox. How do I get in the industry? Mostly from guys, of course. How do I get in the industry? I think I got what it takes. I'm packing. I love pussy. How do I do it? How do I get into porn? And you know what? While I was watching that clip of when I talked to them at the XRCO Awards a couple of weeks ago, September Rain said something, and I was like, huh. When I thought about what she said, I had like a little epiphany. She said,
don't even
If
try.
you have to ask, you shouldn't be in.
Yeah.
You don't choose porn chooses you.
you don't choose porn, porn chooses you. And when I thought about that, I was like, damn, wait a minute. What did she say? You don't choose porn, porn chooses you. So, you know, I just got to thinking about a lot of things when it comes to choosing like careers in life. And I thought about it, I said, you know what? Jay-Z said that shit. This is the life I chose, or rather the life that chose me. And when I got to thinking about it, I was like, you know what? All these dudes keep asking me how to get in porn, how to get in porn. You know what? Fuck that. If you really want to get in it, you gonna find a way to get in it. You know what I'm saying, fellas? Right now, today, with the internet the way it is and just researching stuff, you know, you don't ask me. I mean, I understand why people ask. And all I can tell you is to get out there and try to do it. And in this day and age, I mean, with the internet around, I mean, you can start your own thing. I mean, but if you really want to be in the adult industry, I mean, like work for different companies, different big porn sites and stuff like that, you're definitely going to probably have to be here in California. You're not going to be able to do that in Wisconsin, Kentucky, nowhere like that. You might be able to go to Miami, New York, but you're probably gonna need to be here in California. You're probably gonna need to hit that internet. I mean, if you're packing, hell, you can start your own thing. You know what I'm saying? Just get on that internet, find out who you need to get in touch with. You know what I'm saying? Because I really can't give names and companies because I don't do scenes no more. But yeah, you know what? If you know you can do it, you think you can do it, get busy. Don't ask questions. Just get out there, start researching. Just start doing it. You know what I'm saying? If you got that girl that's down with you and she's willing to do the scene with you, film it. So I think that's the key right there. It's just, you know, trying to get in. You know, if you got a career, I mean, this applies to other things as well. If there's something out there that you want to do that you can't stop thinking about, for me, believe it or not, it wasn't even actually porn, it was stand-up comedy. You know what I'm saying? All I used to do is watch Richard Pryor, Eddie Murphy, and you know, I was like, damn, I want to do that, I want to do that. So I started taking my ass to open mics in Kansas City and contests. Some nights I'd get booed, some nights I'd win. You know, I started trying to write my little jokes. And then when I would see people or people would come to town, Like the homie Eddie Griffin, when he would come to Kansas City, I'd be like, man, I do it a little bit, but how can I do it? How can I really get started? He'd be like, nigga, just do it. So you know what? I said, fuck that. After a while, after doing it in Kansas City a little bit, I brought my ass out here to Los Angeles, started doing open mics, you know what I'm saying? Going to all the worst spots, you know what I'm saying? A place called the Townhouse on Tuesdays, where they would literally damn near throw shit at you. You know what I'm saying? My man, rest in peace, Ronaldo Ray used to host that room. And every week, I'd be like, well, what am I doing wrong? What should I keep doing? Well, just keep coming back. I'm like, shit, I'm gonna get shot sooner or later. But from doing that, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all don't know me from stand-up comedy. I'm not famous or nothing like that. But I tell you this, man, here in LA, back in the day, I did get booked on a lot of shows with people that y'all do know. Like your Sherry Shepherd, Cat Williams, Rodney Perry, Chelsea Handler, it's a ton of others. But you know, they went on to really do it big. And hey, I ain't gave up on it, but I guess my point is this. You know, even though y'all don't know me for it or whatever, I consider myself a stand-up comic because I made money at it. You know, I've worked with some really big people, you know, here in LA. I've done a lot of shows here in LA throughout the years. But how did I get into it? I didn't take classes and all that. I brought my ass here to LA and just started hitting them open mics. And you know, like I said, I'm definitely getting back into that. I'm just doing more writing and stuff now. But anyway, like I said, man, if that's what y'all want to do, fellas, you know, like they were saying, if you think you can do it, if you can come on command, you know what I'm saying? If you got what it takes, first of all, to like just go through a whole scene, the different positions, the girl might not, you know, be the cutest, or she might have a little attitude. If you can go through all that, and then at the end when they say, all right, we good, we need you to come right now, and you can do that within 2 or 3 minutes at best, hey, you might be down for it. You might be good for it. But once again, just get out there and do it. Just get your ass on the internet. Start researching. Try to hook up with some people. That's the only advice I can give. And I just want to say that because I've said that, something like that before, but I keep getting the question, how can I get in? What should I do? So that's what to do. Just get started. Yeah, so you know, that was it for the day. I know I haven't been putting up as many videos lately, y'all. I've been having some personal stuff going on. You know how life is. But I'm still here. So I'm trying to get back to once, twice a week. And I'm going to start answering questions again. So go ahead and leave them down in the comments. The next questions I'm going to start answering is about the whole race thing, the BBC thing, because that's another one y'all love to ask me about, is interracial, why some chicks don't do it, and what do you think about it, and did you like doing that more than black girls? So I'm going to start talking about that a little bit. But go ahead, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video if you like it, leave your questions and everything down in the comments. Check me out on social media, that'll all be down in the description box. Once again, shout out to Cancers, by the way. All right, this is Ace, and I'm out.